Hi, welcome to my channel. Week 11, review of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Follow me to read them out loudly one by one. Let's get started. 打架，打架，打架 fight. 习惯，习惯，习惯 habit. 充电，充电，充电 charge. 出国，出国，出国 go abroad. 禁止，禁止，禁止 forbid ban. 伤害，伤害，伤害 harm. 抽烟，抽烟，抽烟 smoking. 健身，健身，健身 fitness. 身体，身体，身体 body. 跑步，跑步，跑步 running. 合同，合同，合同 contract. 销售，销售，销售 sell. 出差，出差，出差 business trip. 超人，超人，超人 Superman. 成本，成本，成本 cost. 汽车，汽车，汽车 car. 骑车，骑车，骑车 ride a bike. 路口，路口，路口 intersection. 辞职，辞职，辞职 quit. 安静，安静，安静 quiet. 错误，错误，错误 mistake. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.